Hello, good morning everybody, good evening. Luto tayo ng meatballs today, sweet and sour. Ito ang ingredients: giniling na chicken, carrots, bell pepper, carrots for the sauce, and onion and garlic. Tapos ito onion din for the sauce, and vinegar at ketchup. Then pineapple chunk and pineapple juice and breadcrumbs. Okay, haluin ko muna. Ito na yung bola-bola. Iprito na natin. Ito na. Yan. Ito pa siya. Luto ng meatballs. Gagawa na natin mamaya ng sauce. Ngayon, gagawa na tayo ng sauce. Wala mo ng apoy. Ito, ilagay mo na ito, pineapple juice instead of water. Yan. Then, suka, vinegar, mix. Pusing ko na lang yung vinegar. Then, sugar, white sugar, brown sugar. Binuksan na natin yung kalan para siya mag-sticky. Red onion, pineapple dyan, carrots. Put carrots. Lagay yung carrots. Then, first bell pepper. Lagay na natin yung carrots. Malinis pa ang kamay ko. Then, red onion. Nakalagay na yung carrots and pineapple chunk.